Pretty mama from the West Indies, give you all I got. Yes, indeed, I'll be backing out the spot, trying to pull her where you be, uptown, baby girl, that's good to see ya. Christina, I've been down, tell me how you seen her. Pitch it to me like the local dealer. She go long like a wide receiver.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I install my wig. I don't think I showed y'all how I did this. It was very simple. I just put it in a half up, half down with a small flimsy hair tie. And if this hair scrunchie is still available, I got it on Etsy from a shop. If it's available, I will link it down below. It's like a Gucci type of inspired headband. Scrunchie. Before we get started, I want to tell you this hair is provided by Klaiyi hair. This is their 24-inch Jerry curly unit. I will have all the information in my description box below if you guys want to check it out. I actually really like this hair, and anybody that knows me, you know I love curly hair, and this is my thing, and it's summertime. I want to put my post notification on the screen. Thank you guys so much for being first to my last video. I do have a giveaway going on right now, so if you're interested in the giveaway, check out my last video. What is wrong with me? Woo! If you're interested in the giveaway that I have going on right now, check out my last video for the information. It's very simple. I said it at the end of the last video. So yeah, let's get right into this video, and I hope you guys really like it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys at the end of the video. Okay, so I'm starting off by spraying my wig down. Keep in mind, this is not a tutorial because I don't know what I have going on. I haven't plucked my wig in so long. My wig, I don't know, this came out looking a little bit crazy, but I still wanted to leave this in the video just so you guys can see me struggle. So if you're struggling with plucking your wig, just know that you're not alone. When I don't pluck my wig in a long time, I kind of be going crazy, like I be ODing, and I overpluck this wig a lot. But also, if you heard me complaining about that time when I plucked my wigs and they were ripping, this is the same tweezer. I couldn't find my favorite tweezers, so I'm using these trash tweezers to pluck my wig. This is gonna be a process, but I'm gonna play some music. You guys can watch me. This is not a tutorial, like I said. This is just me plucking my wig so you guys can see the process of my quick plucking. It took me like a total of 10 minutes to pluck this wig, like literally. That's how fast I was plucking, and this tweezer was pulling out a lot of hair at once, so it's gonna look a little bit clumpy a bit, okay? Bear with me. I have other plucking videos if you guys want to see an actual detailed tutorial. This is not a tutorial, and this is not how I normally pluck my wigs. Just telling you. I wanted to leave this in the video just so you guys can see me struggle a little bit. And I am going to be installing this wig in this video. You guys know once it's a wig video, I install it for you, okay? I install for you. So I'm just going to pluck it. And then I'm just showing you the after. I mean, I like it. I would pluck it like this if I'm gonna braid the front of the wig, so I guess it's not too bad, but it's a little bit over plucked, just a tad bit. But you can see you have to pluck your wig when you get it, because look how thick the hairline is. So yeah, then I'm gonna install it. But before I install it, I just want to show you how it's looking. It's pretty good. It's not too bad. I mean, I plucked it a little bit too much for my liking, but it's still perfectly fine. It's doable. So I did go ahead and use the Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 12. Keep in mind, in my intro and my outro, this is a totally different day. This was the day before, and I should have never used that. So what I end up doing, I think I told you at the end of the video, but I end up using my Tailored Crowns lace tint. I sprayed the lace, blow dried it on cool, and then spray my wig down. But here I used this number 12 because I thought the lace was going to be too dark, but it wasn't. And it made my wig kind of have a little bit of flashback type of look to it. So I'm never going to do that again, but I still left this in the video so you guys can see the process of me installing this wig. If this is your first time and you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Zell and I install my wigs almost all the time, so I just leave it in here so you guys can watch and follow along. I don't know, I guess some people would like to watch this when they're doing their wigs, so I'm just going to leave this. Right here, I just sprayed the hairspray on top of the wig. I didn't raise up the wig or anything, and then I made sure that I comb it back. This is very important. If you don't comb it back and you blow dry the wig, it's gonna be hard and clumpy. But you want it to all be nice and neat, so it's gonna be easy to work with your edges. So I'm just pushing it down into my skin. And once that's good, I sprayed it twice actually, just because I don't leave on my wigs for long. I just leave it on for one day. I tie it down with my Tropic Touches headscarf. This is available on my website. I will link the link to this head wrap in my description box so you can purchase. And I'm going to cut off this lace. Recently, I've been liking cutting my lace off with the scissors. I don't know. I used to always cut my lace off with my eyebrow razor, but recently I've been liking this method a lot better for some reason. I don't know. It's amazing. And all I do once I cut it in sections, I spray my finger with some hairspray, and I just melt the front. Since the front is going to lift up a little bit, I melt the front and I keep doing it in sections. And I feel like this gives me the ultimate melt. And then when you tie your head wrap down, after you do this, amazing. So I'm going to do that all over the hairline.
Oh yeah, I don't need no runway, mommy, cause you look too good to be walking by me. Cause I need you to stay still so you can see how it feels. I know you like a man with his shit together, so don't be crazy, girl, I know you know better. But I won't judge, girl, you can say what you want. I know you want it as bad as I do, so don't you front. So let's get together, baby, and run away. I know it sounds crazy if we run away. Just you and me against the world, whatever you like, babe.
And then once I'm done, I'm going to do the edges. For the edges, I like to just do like a circular type part by my temples. Sometimes I do my widow's peak, or a fake widow's peak. And I just take small hairs that look like it's gonna make sense for my hairline. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm gonna cut it off with my shears. I got these shears from Amazon. If you are interested in these shears, I will link them down below. But yeah, That's all I do. And then once I cut it to my liking, I cut it kind of short, not too short, just a reasonable type of short, so it's like natural for this hair length. And then I just swoop it to my liking and I work with the edges. You can swoop it to your liking and what type of edges you like. If you don't like edges, you could just brush this back, but I do recommend cutting these small hairs in the front just so it's going to give you a more natural look. Oh, keep in mind, I did redo this wig, so the end result of this is the next day when I redid it. Okay, so if you're seeing some flashbacks, do not come for me. I know, because of the 12 haircut, the 12 foundation, number 12 foundation. Okay, but this bun is really cute too. All right, thank you guys, bye. Alright, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, comment down below. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see, because you were probably tired seeing me install my wigs 1,000 times. I did install the wig install that you guys seen. That was yesterday. So you see how I spray my wig down? I just sprayed some of the, what is it? The lace tint spray. I sprayed that on the hair before I glued it down, so I feel like that makes it match my skin tone better. I really like how this hair came out. This is how it looks. This is how long it is. The curls are very like relaxed. It's giving me very much beach vibes, even though we can't go to the beach. It's giving very much tropical. It's very hot in my room. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you guys. I hope you guys really liked this video, and if you did, comment down below. What should you comment down below? Comment down below some palm trees or like a beach or something, and I will know that you got to this point in the video and you liked the video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Pretty mama from the West Indies, give you all I got. Yes, indeed, I'll be backing out the spot, trying to pull her where you be, uptown, baby girl, that's good to see ya. Christina.